Okay, so we'll be using the 24 gauge wire, round, half hard, I get from Rio Grande. I really like that website for my metal and for clasps and all kinds of things. It's a really nice website, very personal and professional people. Cut your wire 2.5 to 3 inches long. The more you cut, the more practice you'll get. I don't recommend starting with the sterling silver wire, maybe some base metal. Take your wire and your round nose pliers, grab the wire about 1 inch from the top, and then you're going to bend the top of the wire at a 90-degree right angle to the back. That's what that looks like. I call that right angle. Loosen your grip and then rotate away from you your pliers. So now you're grabbing that corner, and I call that corner for lack of something better to call it, I guess. And take that same wire, the top wire, move it all the way, bend it to the front so that it's facing down. Loosen your grip again and move the pliers so towards you. I call that motorcycle. Now the pliers are looking kind of like a bird's beak. And grab that same end of the wire, the short end, move it to the left of the long part and all the way to the back. Again at a right angle. Let go and it makes a little circle. That's your loop. Take the flat nose pliers with the very tips, just hold the loop. And with your round nose pliers, grab that short end again and wrap. And do your wrap 3 or 4 times. Always end it so that the wire is perpendicular to the loop. That way when you cut it with your cutters, you won't be so prone to snipping the loop and ruining it. Feel to see if it's sharp, and if it is, take your flat nose and just squeeze it a little bit to push it down. Okay, now add a bead. These are, oh goodness, if I need my glasses on to see that hole. These are coin pearls, gray coin pearls, which I really like. I love these for making earrings, real simple earrings. So again, we're going to do the same thing. When you're doing a bracelet, you keep your loops going in the same direction. So my loop is headed this way, so I will make the next loop the same way. Just kind of a quality control thing. Okay, so, and you grab as close to the bead as you can. Make your right angle, loosen your grip, put it in the corner, fold around to the front, loosen your grip, motorcycle it towards you, and then bend it to the back. Make your loop, grab a hold of it with your flat nose, grab the end, and do your wrap. And you snip that off, and you're about 1/9 of a way done making a bracelet. Okay, I'll show you real quickly how to do, these are the head pins I normally use for earrings with the little ball on the end. These I like in 2 to 3 inch length. They're just a lot easier to work with. Maybe a little more waste of the wire, but just easier to work with. Again, grab the bead with your round nose pliers as close as you can to the bead. Bend it to the back, the right angle. Loosen your grip. Rotate away from you and put the pliers into that corner. Grab the wire, bend it around to the front. Loosen your grip, rotate towards you. In the motorcycle, grab the wire, move it to the back, and you have your loop. Hold the loop with the flat nose, grab the end of the wire with the round, and do your wrap. And then we just snip that off. With your scraps, be sure to save your scraps if you're using sterling or gold filled or gold. You can turn them in and get cash or credits from your supplier, and you're on your way to making a pair of earrings.